Doing something fun today. We have some Royal Icing that I'm going to flavor, not only flavor, but also color with water bottle drink squirts. That's what I call them. I don't know, Jonathan, do you know what the real name is for these things?
Idea.
I call them water bottle squirts.
Go for it.
Yeah. You can flavor Royal Icing with extract. You just have to make sure it's not an oil-based extract like lemon oil or orange oil, because anytime you introduce fat to Royal Icing, it will destroy your Royal Icing. It'll break it down. Watch my video on Royal Icing and how to make it. We have an egg white Royal Icing video recipe, as well as a meringue powder video recipe. And I talk about incorporating fats and how it's a very bad thing. But extracts also, I mean, how many flavors are really super readily available if you're not having to order them online and wait? Not a lot. You've got rum, coconut, lemon, you know, your basics, right? So I thought, why not make fruit punch Royal Icing, or grape, or cherry, or orange? Why not? And they also add colors. So there's lemon lime, there's all different colors that you can choose from. So imagine doing a cookie that's like a rainbow, and every stripe of the rainbow was obviously a different color, but also a different flavor. That'd be one tasty rainbow. Right? So this would be really great also for making your own handmade sprinkles using Royal Icing and having flavored sprinkles. So that's another video you want to check out. But let's try grape. I think is going to be my favorite.
I'm jealous.
You want one?
Kind of.
Catch. They taste sort of like bubblicious, like bubble gum. Yummy.
Yeah, they got like a tartness.
And yes, these add tart, like tanginess to your Royal Icing, which cuts the sweet a little bit. So I have some Royal Icing here. I'm going to start with stiff Royal Icing. The colors aren't super concentrated, so if you want a bright orange, you could always add just a dab of orange food coloring to this as well. I start with stiff because this is a liquid and it's going to thin the icing out a little bit. So, and it's just a matter of stirring that in. And we have yummy orange Royal Icing. It was good, no?
Yeah, it was really good.
Yummy. I'm so excited. So we have orange flavored Royal Icing. And like I said, you know, what if you were doing a glass of lemonade, a cookie, to look like a glass of lemonade? Why not make it taste like lemonade, right? You could add lemon extract, but that's not going to make it taste like actual lemonade, right? To get one of those, I think Country Time has the squirts, or Tang. Oh my God, the Tang. Yeah. Tang is really good. So experiment. They've got all different colors, all different flavors, and like I said, they're very soft colors. You can always accentuate that or leave them pastel. Pastel is very nice too. Okay, so I think this is really cool. I'm gonna try another one, but I'll wait. I just don't want to munch while I'm talking. But follow us on Instagram and on Facebook. We put up all kinds of videos. We are on YouTube, but most importantly, come check us out on learntocake.com, where we have tons of recipes and nifty little ideas. Nifty. It's like a 70s term. I'm showing my age. A lot of nifty ideas on things that you have around all the time. Like if you're making cookies and you have extra icing, make some sprinkles. Don't throw it out. Put some water bottle squirts in. The orange is good too. Okay. So be sure to follow us, ask questions, watch all of our fun videos. I'm around almost 24/7. I don't sleep much. I check my phone through the night. I'm here. Ask away. So if you're in Australia, and you send me a question, chances are I might just answer before I get up in the morning. Okay, so I'll see you around, guys. Thanks for watching.